To reopen Snapchat snaps, all you have to need, go to your Snapchat and go to your chat panel and tap the chat or conversation. And here we can see the snap, here we can see the snap, here we can see the snap. And as you can see, I viewed all of them. And now if you wish to reopen any viewed snap, just hold the snap and tap on replay and tap on tap to view, and then you will be able to review the snap just like this. You can do it another time. To do it, you can just tap on save in chat and the specific snap will save to your chat or conversation just like this. Now from here you will be able to view the snap lots of time or unlimited time. So that's how you can actually replay or review any viewed snap in Snapchat. Thanks for watching.